Well, this is a nice thing. Whose is this?
Hi Shane.
Morning, Mark. How are you?
Yes, not too bad.
Good.
Thought this week we'd do a little review on the Sprite Major 6 TD.
Okay.
Or maybe we should change the name here to Gold Dust.
Is that because of the gold stripes?
It has got a bit of a gold stripe, but in actual fact, 6 berth family caravans at the minute are like rocking horse poop to get. So,
I can imagine, yeah.
Yeah, it's obviously we're coming up to the summer holidays and whatever, so 6 berth family caravans, huge demand. These are only 1,480 kilograms, so most family cars for a big size caravan you're going to be fine with. Nice layout on the inside, which again we'll come to the inside at the minute. You'll probably notice at the front it's got a Swift label.
Yes.
So the Sprite brand is a cheaper, if I dare use that word, a budget, a lower range, but they still go through the Swift factory exactly the same as all the Continentals, the Conquerors, so all the top of the range. It's built in exactly the same fashion. So the build quality is still there, but they just use lighter materials here and there. Cut down on a little few things, so you'll see that we haven't got external barbecue points, external 240 volt
adding
sockets.
to weight, isn't it?
That's it, yeah. So, but all your essential equipment is in there, and somebody's even fitted a motor mover.
That's good. And something with it being a 6 berth, it is only single axle as well.
Yeah, so you've got storage is easier, manoeuvrability is easier. You've got the motor mover, as I say, so even pushing this round without that isn't a massive chore, because let's say 1,480 maximum, family of 6 easily push.
Just out of interest, I don't know if you know the answer to this, how much does a motor mover weigh?
35 kilograms roughly.
Okay.
That's the standard sort of weight, so it's not a massive amount. It reduces your payload down very slightly, but
It's
35
not too bad really, is it, for the benefits of them?
Exactly, yeah, it's not massive.
Save dragging them around.
So yeah, should we have a look inside and see what this is like?
Let's go and have a look. Right then, Mark, so what we got?
So, nice little layout, isn't it? So we've got 2 fixed bunk beds, which we'll get the camera angle onto in a minute so you can see those properly. But then we've also got the make-up bunk area, so it gives us a nice little seating area. So all the kids, and to be fair, you could probably get 4 of you squeezed in around there with 2 smaller kids. There's a bunk bed that comes up on the side, so that's a make-up bunk bed. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the other bunk.
Yeah, sure.
And then double at the front. So on the rainy days, which, let's face it, we're going to get rainy days, aren't we, unfortunately?
We're in England.
We've got 2 nice separate areas where all the kids can come up the back here. You've got the bunk beds, they could be on the games, reading books, playing games. Nice little table there for colouring, doodling, all the little things that they like to get up to. And once you've had enough of the kids, just get rid of them. So nice little. You thought I wasn't going to bring that back then, didn't you? You thought I was going to leave you there, but I wouldn't do that to you. So yeah, it's a really good family layout, and that's why these are so difficult to come by. To be fair, it is very versatile. Even if you're a 4 berth family and you've just got 2 children, with having that bunk bed just set up there, and there's a nice amount of room there.
Like you said, if there is 4 people, you have got the lounge at the front and you've got the lounge at the back. At least you can separate with lots of space. And to be fair, it's a big old lounge at the front, which we'll get to in a minute, but you don't have to make up any bed here. You've got bunk beds ready to go for somebody your size, and
thanks.
Yeah, all right.
So, cracking little layout, even for me. I'm nearly 6 foot. And I've got plenty of room.
6 foot.
Of course I am. Look, I can't even touch the end with my feet. So yeah, it really, and again, you don't feel claustrophobic. A lot of the bunk beds, you do, they squeeze them in and you don't feel like you can get up. You're not going to bash your head in the night. Even the bigger kids, they're not going to hit the head. You can sort of sit up. And the nice thing with this is a proper TV table. So if you were to turn around the other way, everyone can actually pop a TV onto here. All the cables go through here, so you can actually watch the TV all in bed. And yeah, absolutely cracking family layout. Storage underneath of this bunk, under the rear seating, under the little side seat there. So again, huge amounts of storage space as well, which again, if it is a family of 6, you really need that extra space and storage.
And the benefit of this being a 6 berth, but it having the 2 sets of bunks is there's something I don't really like is the triple bunks. I can understand why they do them, but you just don't have that space where there's plenty of space with that.
Yeah. I think you always feel the bottom bunk, you're on the floor, and then you've not got anywhere near as much headroom as this, so it does limit it down a lot. And I think you've got to be a lot smaller children with the triple bunks to really make it work, and I think you do outgrow that. Whereas this, you can actually have teens and people my size.
Like you said, with the triple bunks, you will outgrow it, and then it's only a short-term caravan before you have to sell it and get something that does work.
That's it. Yeah. Should we have a look at the front?
Yep.
So at the front we've got a really good sized lounge. We've got over 6-foot seats at the front, so for single beds during the day, or just single beds in general if you don't want to make the double bed up, it's a really good seating area at the front. Huge panoramic roof light in the front, so again it lets in lots of light. We've got the little slide out table, so drinks, coffees, card games, etc. We've got plugs at the front, so again you can put a TV at the front here. Makes a really nice lounge area, and again for 6 people you can get 6 people sat around here. There is a big freestanding table that drops in, and again plenty of storage space. Moving on to the kitchen area, again if you've got 6 people that you're cooking for, you're going to need the extra bit of room, so we've got a little fold up area there that just gives us a little bit extra space. We've got the nice 3-way fridge with a decent freezer compartment, and again loads of storage. We've got the microwave, and then we've got the 3-burner hob, grill and oven. Should we have a little look in the bathroom? Shane, where have you gone? Where on earth has he gone?
Oh, sorry. So the bathroom, quite spacious actually. It's got a separate shower. You've got your toilet, you've got plenty of leg room, which we do like because we don't like to have nowhere to put your feet. Sink, mirror, bit of storage shelf and a bit underneath. And then as we pan round, we do go into that separate wet area, which does have a shower. Nice couple of lights, so it is quite bright compared to normal. And you've even got a little step if you want to sit down.
So what do you think?
It's lovely.
It's a nice little van, isn't it?
It is. It's for what's a budget range van, I can see where they've cut little bits, like you said, like the barbecue points and so on. But what are you really missing?
It's got everything, hasn't it? It's still got all your electric and gas heating, 3-way fridge, microwave, good kitchen area, nice washroom, as you've found out, and a really good layout. So yeah, there's nothing else that you'd really need. And again, if it was a deal breaker on the external sockets, you can always put those in. It's not a big hassle to put those in. So
yeah, I mean just having down to 2 lots of sockets there, which is exactly where you want them. It frustrates me when you don't see them, because that's where you're going to plug your stuff in, and you're going to be wanting to play on your laptop or phone or iPad or whatever, and then at night you're going to be doing the same thing. Yeah. So why would you not have them there? It's just very convenient and well thought out, really. Good.
We say budget van. It's 2015, and you're still looking at around between 15 and 16 for this sort of layout, and this sort of layout is just commanding a high premium at the moment.
And as a rough guess, what would something like this new be now?
You're probably looking at 22 grand for an equivalent new. So you look at the depreciation over 6 years. It's not bad, is it? Not bad at all.
Not at all.
So
that's prices as of 2021, middle of, going into the season now.
And could be going up.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it's a nice little van.
Yeah, nice and airy. Like I said, I do like that, but rear area is plenty spacious enough. And nice big long bench seats as well, which most people will be able to use as 2 singles or roll it out for a double. Lovely.
Perfect. Oh, that's better. So don't forget, leave us a comment, let us know what you thought about this 6-berth family caravan. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thanks for watching.